How to create a new user in Wise Owl Legal. Click on the cog icon at the top menu bar. Go to Manage Users, then select New User. Complete the required details in the Create New User page. Under Time Billing, you can select Use Global Rates, or assign specific billing rates for the fee earner. Once all settings are complete, click Create User. After successfully creating the user, you'll be presented with a login summary page. We strongly recommend pressing Ctrl+P to print this page or save it securely as a PDF. How to log in for the first time with two-factor authentication. On your Wise Owl login page, enter your assigned username and system-generated password. System will ask you to enter the 6-digit code from your smartphone's Authenticator app. On your smartphone, make sure that you download an Authenticator app like Google or Microsoft Authenticator. Select Scan a QR code. Then scan the QR code from the user login information page, or PDF. The app will generate a unique 6-digit code for that login. Enter the unique code generated by your Authenticator app. Click Confirm Code. Once logged in, you will be prompted to change your password. Enter your current and new passwords. Enter your new password again to confirm. You will need to enter a new two-factor code. Open the Authenticator app on your smartphone. Get the new code and enter it. Click on Change Password. If you experience any issues during setup or login, please contact the Wise Owl Help Desk. Thank you for watching, and welcome to Wise Owl Legal.